You know, one of the things I hate more than anything is to finish washing my car and realize that there's still bug stains and junk on the windshield. It even happens when I take it to the car wash sometimes. So today, we're going to clean that windshield up before you wash the car, and it's easy to do. We're simply going to make a paste out of baking soda and water, and you want it to be a nice thick paste. And then my little secret weapon is this mesh bag that I have from fruit and vegetables at the grocery store. It's a great scrubber. You could throw it away when you're done and you're not ruining your sponges. So you're going to dip it in to the paste that I have here, and you're just going to start and massage it in. Now the beauty of this is it removes the oil that the road stains put on it. It takes away the bugs, and it'll even help remove tar. So work it in really well before you start to wash the car. Then go ahead, wash the car. When you're done, the windshield is going to be spotless. And another little tip, hang on to these mesh bags and throw a couple in the car. They're great for road trips if the windshield gets really messy. So it's just baking soda and water in a paste. It's a great windshield cleaner. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.